Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. We are now headed to Wiggles and Giggles, where Rishna is ready with an amazing DIY activity. Let's see what she's up to.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another DIY episode. My name is Rishna and I'm from Wiggles and Giggles. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a rain cloud. And to make a rain cloud, you need white paper, some colorful ribbons, some cotton balls, glue stick, a pencil, an eraser and a scissor. Don't forget, when you're using a scissor, you should always be assisted by an adult. To begin with, I'm going to draw a cloud on my white paper. Next thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut it out. This is how the cloud looks when it's cut out. Now, I'm going to take some glue and put it all over the cloud. Use the cotton wool and stick it all around. And add some more glue, and you have to fill the whole cloud up with some cotton. Once you've filled it up with cotton, you have to add the rainbow strands. So you're just going to tear a few strips of the ribbon. They can be of different sizes, long and short. And color purple is my favorite, so I'm going to have 2 of them. And now you apply some glue just at the tip of the ribbon, and you stick it at the bottom of the cloud. And you do that for all the strips. You take some glue and just stick some at the tip, and you stick it at the bottom of the cloud. This is our rainbow cloud ready. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next week with some more activities. Bye!